Hey YouTube, I was actually debating whether to even post this today, but you know what, let's just do it. So look, arbitrage has been my main thing in crypto for a few years running now. Not trading, not holding, arbitrage specifically. And the reason I keep coming back to it is it just makes more sense to me mechanically than most stuff out there. Lately, I've been paying a lot of attention to how AI is getting plugged into this, like the automation side of it. So today, I'm just gonna sit here and show you how it actually works hands-on on something I've been quietly running in the background for the last couple weeks. Cool? Cool. So, okay, here's the AI platform. You can see my screen I'm going into, launch bot right now. All right, we're in. So first thing is trading pair. And this is actually kind of wild. The bot is working across 20 plus exchanges at the same time. So the options are pretty much whatever you want. I'm keeping it boring today and just going with Solana. Okay, flipping it to live mode here. And now I need to get my wallet address in there. One moment. Okay, sorted. Now, capital allocation, setting that to, right about there. Then risk level. So basically this is just a dial for how bold the bot trades, how deep it goes on the riskier opportunities. I'm not going crazy with it, leaving it kind of this one. And last thing is arbitrage strategy. You're essentially just picking which framework the AI operates under. All right, everything checks out. Moving forward. So now it wants the deposit. And one thing I like here is you can fund it in basically any coin that's convenient for you. They'll handle the conversion into Sol on their side before anything starts. So I'm just picking what I've got available. Hang on. Okay, done. Tapping I have sent, and there it goes, bot's running. And right here is all the live data, trades, win rate, average spread, charts updating in real time. Solid. Now it's just, we let it cook. So I'm just gonna fast forward this bit. Okay, so, all right, we're back. I'm hitting stop and withdraw now. Good, it stopped. So here's everything laid out. How long it ran, total trades, what strategy was active, the win rate, and final profit after fees. All right there in one screen, which is nice. Tapping withdraw now, just a moment while that goes through. Okay, yeah, it's been sent over to my wallet. It takes a few minutes to actually reflect on my end, so let me use that time to say something. So I've put money into things in this space that just straight up didn't work out. And I'm not talking about like bad trades, I'm talking about platforms where I did my research, felt reasonably confident, and still got wrecked. One time I was running something for about a month, everything was smooth, numbers looked good, and then a withdraw request just sat there, pending, for days. And then you start going through the usual steps, support ticket, community channels, checking if anyone else is having the same issue, and you slowly start realizing, yeah, this is one of those situations. Lost a pretty meaningful amount that time. So after that, I just changed how I approach testing completely. Smaller entry, earlier withdrawal tests, longer observation period before I commit to anything bigger. And this one has just been behaving normally through all of that, which sounds like a low bar, but honestly in this space, it really isn't. Anyway, if you're curious, the link is in the description and I pinned it in the comments. Go try it on your own terms. Start small, see how it feels. And if you've been through something similar or you've got experience with platforms like this, throw it in the comments. Genuinely want to hear it.